Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you an alternate to the rolling hitch we've discussed before called the Riggers Hitch. Today's synthetic line that's sometimes used for halyards and sheets can have a slick outer core. And your standing rigging, like wire rope used for stays, shrouds, and lifelines, might sometimes require a knot that holds with tenacity. The Riggers Hitch can give you a good sailing solution for these tasks. Let's take a look at the steps involved to tie the Riggers Hitch. Start with at least 12 inches of line. Pass the end of the line over the standing part as shown in the illustration. You want to roll that first hitch over the standing part in a direction away from the load. In this case, our load lies to the right, so we hitch to the left. Hold the standing part with your non-dominant hand and make a second hitch on the far side of the first hitch. When you make the second hitch, make sure it does not overlap the first hitch. Roll to the side of the first hitch and then tuck the end of the line beneath the second hitch. Take extra time to remove all slack from the Riggers Hitch before you apply the load. Make sure and ease the load onto the Riggers Hitch so that the knot stays in place without slipping. Now you know an alternate to the rolling hitch that can be used aboard your boat on slick surfaces like synthetic line or wire rope. Use these easy sailing tips for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.